This is the quick all you need to know review of the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. I've been using Chanel products for years, so if there's one brand I know, it is Chanel. I was so excited when they came out with their bronzer. In this video, I will swatch and tell you all about it. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. Just like other Chanel makeup base products, it has a beautiful natural color. There are different ways to use this. Either you can use it as a contouring tool, or you can just give a little sun-kissed look on the cheeks. I usually love cream products, so this is on the drier side for me. However, if you work with this product like many other Chanel products and give it some love and warmth with your fingers, it actually becomes much more soft and nice. This product needs some blending, and I usually put some setting spray or some oil in it to get an even softer finish. To make this product look flawless, I moisturize perfectly before. I use a lightweight, glowy foundation, then I add this to my cheeks for a sun-kissed look. So in my opinion, the color is amazing. The texture needs a little work with either a sponge like this or with your fingers. Like with all Chanel products, it is high-end and it makes me feel flawless.